Good morning, it's Mark Leibovit, and this is a Leibovit volume reversal tutorial here on Metastock for Monday morning, April 4th. You're looking at the order page for the volume reversal toolkit. It does offer 3 versions of the VR. We use the sequential on these videos, which posts all positive and negative VRs, but we do have the directional, which filters out repetitive VRs and provides a stop, and the 2-day version or 2-bar version, which is based on the premise of following a positive negative VR. You do get follow through for a day or two, and it's worth trading using that 2-day concept, but of course you have the discretion of going beyond that, but we did create that indicator, that tool that is for that that purpose. As you may know, I do author a product called the Vice Letter, and in there we follow a bunch of cannabis stocks along with other Vice names, and the list is too long to summarize here, but even names like Tesla or Tiffany are considered Vice or Sin stocks, along with tobacco, gaming, and alcohol, but we do emphasize many of the marijuana names. Today we're looking at General Cannabis, which is one of the stocks we had traded, to show you that even in the low-price penny stocks, we do get some nice correlation and some nice trades. We had a positive VR here on the 14th, and this is CANN, by the way, a rising stochastic, nice little percentage move from the 4 to 6 cent area in a day. This went from the 5 to the 7 cent area in about a day. That's March 28th, positive VR, and in both instances you had a rising 533 stochastic, which confirmed. And even prior to that, well back here earlier in January, negative VRs told you that we were still in the downtrend, though I would not be shorting a penny stock like this. The stock traded much higher over time. Just flipping back, I think it was $4 earlier in the year, last year, and then back even before that, it was back in the year before, and 2014 it was in the 50s. So I mean, a lot of excitement about the cannabis sector drove a lot of these stocks into speculative fervors or parabolic moves, but there are going to be trades there, and you do want to pay attention to it. So I'd just like to remind you that I do host the Wall Street Raw radio program on Saturday mornings on GCN Live, GCNlive.com. It's also archived there. It's on iTunes as well, so I would encourage you to check in on our program. Also, as I mentioned earlier, we do have a series of newsletters. The Vice Letter is available at vrtrader.com. That's vrtrader.com. We have our Silver Letter, which is our daily market commentary, our Platinum, which provides that, plus specific recommendations. Our Gold Letter covers all kinds of natural resource plays, including gold. Our Forecaster is our annual forecast model, which is our cyclical forecast for the major markets. And don't forget about our book, The Trader's Book of Volume, the definitive guide to volume trading. Appreciate you checking in on this Monday morning. We'll be back to you hopefully in about a week with another idea for you, another way of applying the positive negative VRs. And thanks for tuning in.